Come on. I want to take a nap. Because all these vacuums are crazy. 3, 2, 1. That wasn't a candy, that was some tape for Eureka. So almost I'll tie this Eureka up and then the video will end. And then I can take a nap from these crazy vacuums. Maybe I have to change this vacuum search into a crazy vacuum search. Yeah, maybe. I think a lot of people will watch it. Yeah. Okay. So there. So this is the end. We'll just say goodbye. Yeah. Goodbye. If you didn't see Tertivo, go on vacuum search vacuum search Tertivo UP20100. Okay? If you wrote that, good. So don't forget to look at his video. Eureka will be soon, and Hoover was today. So Hoover's the star of this video. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and leave comments. Okay? For all these 3 vacuums. Okay. I hope you have a good day. Bye. Good luck. Now I can take a nap. Yay.